Hey guys, happy Friday. I want to just take a look back on our job site cart that we did. We did a video on it, I don't know, maybe 2-3 months ago, and I wanted to kind of just share with you. It's right here. Let me walk you through it. And in case you're wondering, I got hit in the face with a bungee cord. So I have to get an implant. Sucks. Okay, let's take a look. Here's the job site cart. It's kind of a mess, but it's become our central location for everything. And if you guys remember, I'm just gonna put this light off the ceiling so it's not in my filming. So if you guys remember, the top part is pretty much a charging station. And this is a removable shelf on these pins here. They lock into these pins, and I've got clips for batteries, tool holders, magnetic clips here on the side. And this is working off of the bott Smartvan system. These are the boxes in our trucks, and we have racking systems that go with this in our vans that are metal and crash tested. But we had some extra rails right here, so we put these rails in, and we put our most used tools here: fasteners, spray cans. So we got all kinds of stuff here. Extra plans, there's some miscellaneous tools, glues, caulking tape, miscellaneous fastener parts, nail gun holder, the light, which I'm bouncing off the ceiling right now, and the power strip, which feeds down through the back and out here, and that feeds the cart. That's the cord wrap. We have a black extension cord. It got accommodated by somebody in this house because it's not with the cart anymore. Tool bag holders or coat holders. We've got the tape measure, paper towels. These are for transporting. Over here we have, this is kind of interesting. The cart was a little narrow and a little top heavy, so we made this little leg for it. And the leg can come out and the table can adjust. Table is set up for plans. And then, every once in a while, what I'll do is, I'll do something like this if I need to reference something while I'm writing. Magnet. This is just a T-track. The light can go here and shine down, or anything that we have on T-tracks can go there. Another tool belt or cord holder. These are some extra tools that I have that are extra, so I just keep them with the cart. They're useful. First aid kit. I just noticed the fire extinguisher is missing. That got, I think that's in somebody's truck still. That needs to get out here. Although what we did on this job site was we made these guys, and basically there's one at every stairwell in the entire place. So that's our job site cart, guys. It came out great. We're more than pleased with it. Yeah, so this is our Balls Hill Road project that we're working on. This is our makeshift office. And we're having fun here. A lot of fun. You guys have a great day.